Okay, I'm working on a commercial overhead door, and all of a sudden the door stopped raising and lowering, and the motor was spinning and everything. Well, I see the problem. There's a expansion pin in here that's come out. So I'm just going to align it, the hole back up, and tap the pin back in. All right, the pin's tapped back in. The thing rotates now. The carrier, we'll be able to get the carrier hooked up now to the overhead door. All right, door opener's hooked back up, the carrier to the carrier, and chain looks good. Everything looks good. I think we'll lube the chain and everything while I'm up here, and then we'll get this on its way. Here's the model number, just for those who need to know it. A T5011L3. All right, we're going to go ahead and try the operator out. Looks good. Like I said, I'm going to lube the chain yet. Okay, looks like I gotta adjust the stop, the limit. Yep. Okay, what I did, I pulled this release right here, and I turned this wheel a little bit farther out so it hits the limit switch quicker. Okay, got the limits adjusted. I'll take it down. It's perfect. Take it up. Just where I want it. So everything's good there. Now I'm going to do some chain lube. Okay, we are lubed. I gotta go down and get a rag. I didn't have my rags with me, but everything is a lot quieter now. Made a huge difference in the sound. Okay, I guess that'll be it.